Hello guys, once again you all are welcome to this channel. So today my topic is not to tell you how to draw a plan of a building but also to tell how to read the plan of a building. So drawing of a building plan is also that much of necessary as much you can read. So if you are a good AutoCAD draftman, then you must should know how to read of a building. So today this topic is about how to read of a building plan. So as you can see, this is my building plan having the plinth area as a 35 feet into 55 feet. So in this tutorial, I will tell you how to read this building plan and also how to draw this building plan. So in this building, as you can see, this is the main door of this building plan, and this is our staircase as you can see it here, and this is our bathroom, and whatever you can assume you can make it as a storeroom or else make it as a again washroom. So there will be two washroom. Now the point is to tell you that this square red one, as you can see, these are our columns. So in this plan build of a building, how much column is there? As you can see, 1 2 3 4 and 2 3 4 5, means total 20 column is there. So in this building, as you can see, this is our hall and these are our furniture block as I have placed it here. So this is our stair, means outside of the building stair, and which has the riser as a 1 2 3 and 4, and its tread will be 3. So whatever the riser will be there, so less of riser will be the tread, means if you have 20 treads in this stair, you can see, then your riser will be 21, means generally in this there is 20 riser is there, so 19 tread is there. So in this tutorial, this is our hall and this is our some space of stair, and this will be also have some gap or space. So this is our bedroom having the dimension of 14 feet into 13 feet 3 inches, and this is our passage having width of 6 feet 6 inches, and this is our again bedroom. As you can see, its dimension 11 feet into 12 feet. This is also our bedroom, 11 feet into 11 feet, and this is our dining room. In this dining room and this is our kitchen room, as you can see. So in the same way, I want to tell you that how to draw this type of building plan. So I hope you have understand that how to read the building plan. So generally what we do means, of any building plan we need to go for its planning. So so before going to draw this building plan, you need to set your unit. So first of all, you need to set your UN as a architectural, right, as I have already explained in my previous videos. So you can get it from my description box. So make it as a architectural, and I hope you have watched my previous video so that you can understand this all completely. So in my all the videos, my first intention to tell you that draw a columns. So in the same way, draw the column first of all, as you know the dimension of these columns. So as you can see, this is our this hall is 14 feet into 15 feet. So this is the one column to another column distance is 14 feet. Then after that there is a stair of having the width of 6 feet 6 inches. In the same way, 11 feet one column to another column. So in the same way you need to draw. So let's start this tutorial. Just go for construction line. So as you can see, my ribbon is not there, so go for RIBBON ribbon from your keyboard. Just you can see it has been a pair. Go with the construction line. So this is, you can see, if you place your cursor here, construction line, so click it here. Once again you click, go for ortho on. So I need, so you can see this comes in yellow layer, means it comes in yellow color. So what you need to do means, I need it in by default white one. So you can see, now make it as a this one, skip it. After that, you know the standard size of column, generally 1 feet we consider. So you can see it here. After that, 14 feet as I have shown you. So no worry, I will keep this PDF file of the plan of a building in my description box. You can get it from there. After that, 6 feet 6 inches, right? This will be here, our stair will be there. After that, 11 feet. So you also do the same, skip it. Now go for construction line command of H. After that, you know the minimum size of, means standard size of column is 1 feet into 1 feet. After that, how much you want to take, go with the 15 feet towards upward. So go for 1 feet. After that, go with 13 feet, enter it. Go with the 1 feet of its column. Again go for offset command of 11 feet towards upward, 1 feet, and after that 12 feet, then 1 feet towards upward. Skip it. As I have shown you, I am doing most of the videos of my tutorial, I am doing like this way only. So if you are doing in the same way, you may know that, or you may understand that how much easiest way is this. So my suggestion to you all is that if you are a drawing any kind of building plan, just follow these rules. This will really helps you. See, do not go with this. First of all, go to the solid. Now skip it. Now you can see, you just copy. Now I am going to tell you some tricks. Go for copy command, just click it. Now ortho should off, just place it like this. Now you can see, skip it. Now these tricks will be helpful. See, select this all, go for copy command. Now what you do, just click it wherever the columns you want, just go with like that. See, skip it. And now we do not want this, just go and delete this. We want right now only the columns. So as you can see, this column has been completed. So now we want to draw some line. Go for line command. You also do the same as I am doing here. So this tutorial will be very good today. So I am doing, you also do like this way. You can see I have made a boundary. So I hope you all have made a boundary like this only. Now what you need to do, go for offset command of 9 inches from your keyboard. As you know, the brick thickness, this outer wall thickness will be 9 inches as compared to the inner thickness. So inner wall and outer wall, we need to work according to the civil engineering concept. So this is the very more important, as you all are AutoCAD draftsman. So now you can see, now you may thinking that, So I need to draw here also. Yes, you all are right. Just go for line command. Now you need to draw here also. Just go and connect one to another. Just go and connect one to another. Like this way you need to go. So you may thinking that I didn't have connected here. Yes, you are right. I do not connect here because I will keep there as my dining room, as I have shown you my previous plan of a building. So that reason I need to keep it. So if you are a good AutoCAD draftsman, by seeing these all tutorials, you may have some idea. Right now you are thinking that I did not have any idea. So just because of you watching these videos, definitely you will get some ideas regarding to AutoCAD. And nowadays for his engineering concept becoming the civil engineering, you all should know about the basics of these tools, this software. Now you all have thinking that I need to learn AutoCAD, means like Revit, SketchUp, many more videos. So all the softwares are good at its own position. So better to learn similar type of, not to similar type of software again and again. If you are good in AutoCAD, no need to go for Revit architectural. If you are good in Revit architectural, no need to go for AutoCAD. So do not learn same type of AutoCAD, means same type of softwares again and again. So do not waste your time there, but become the good at a single, or like if you want to learn some structural software, so do not go for more software of structure like CSI Bridge or CSI, SAP, ETABS, StatPro. Become good in one software of structure. Skip it. Now I'm going to draw here stair, right? Now go for this bilayer. Take this cyan color. Go for offset command. So before going to offset command, just skip it. Now go for line command. So draw one line here, over here. So you can see this, escape it. After that go for offset command of, you know, this landing I will keep as a 3 feet. Just go and click it. Now towards upward, you know, 10 inches I will keep it my tread. This is dogleg type of stair, so I need to draw total 20 risers. 10 inches, you need to count it here. That will be better for you for understanding purpose. So as I am doing this, total 10, so I will divide it in two parts. 7, 8, 9, and finally 10. This I have calculated. If you want to learn how to draw a stair, you can see my previous videos I have attached. So now we need to count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now it's fine. Now go for L command. So from the middle, just drag it here, skip it, go for offset command with the help of, now 6 feet 6 inches we have taken this we have taken here to here, one here to here, 6 feet 6 inches. Now 6 feet will be the 6 feet 6 inches, right? So we will keep 3, we will keep gap between the two stairs, means not two, this and this. Now I am going to draw, you can understand that. Go for offset with the help of 3, so you can study how to draw a dog list type of stair. You can get it in my previous video. I already told you. Go for trim command, double enter. Let's drag it. Let's drag it. Skip it. Now you may thinking that, so this has not been there, right? Yes, you are right. Now what I need to do means, now what we need to do means, just go and delete these two. So I'm telling you, now it looks like this, right? Yes. Then what you need to do, just go for line command from this corner to this corner. In the same way here also, skip it. Now go for offset of 9 inches, right, from both the sides. So just go and ex, double enter, just do like this, skip it. Now you can see I have drawn my stair also. After that, what I need to do means, here you can see I need to make it as a kitchen room. So go for line command. So here make it as a default as a by layer. This one, go for line command, just go and you can go for offset command with the 9 inches, just do like this. After all, what we need to do means, just go for offset command of 6, go for 8 feet, right? Just go and click it here, escape it. Now go for line command in the middle, just select it, go for offset command of 4.5 inches, just do here only, escape it, go for ex, double enter, just select it, the both sides, escape it, again go for offset command with the help of 4.5 inches, go towards upward, escape it. Now you are thinking that what I could keep it, means what is this room I am considered as, right? No need to worry, I will tell you everything. So this would be our hall, right? Now go for line command, just click it, escape it, go for line command wherever you need to place your door. So I need to place it here also. So first of all, thoroughly drag and draw one line. So now I will keep my door here. So you also need to do here like this. So for kitchen I will keep it here, skip it. After that, go for offset command of 1 feet. Now what we need to do means, just towards upward. As you can see in my previous videos also, I am doing like this only, and I am frequently telling to you guys. So here it could be, I have drawn 1 feet. Now what you need to do, just go and draw 3 feet, because we know the width of this door will be 3 feet, means 3 feet. So here it is 3 feet, enter. In the same way here also 3 feet, skip it, go for trim command, just trim it, no need to worry, just thoroughly trim this all. So wherever you want to keep your door you can keep, but now you can see here I could not find it. So offset of 1 feet, right? So here now 3 feet, right? Go for trim command, I have trimmed it. After that, what we need to do means, here also you can see, go for trim, this also, skip it. In my previous video also I have told you how to draw a door of a of this, for this building plan. Now go for window. So first of all, draw your line in each and every wall from the middle. So like this way you need to draw a line to everyone, means to everywhere of this door, as I have did in making the door of a building, right? So go thoroughly, no need to worry. So here you can see that I have drawn the line in the middle of this all of the walls, but you can see that here I did not draw. So why I did not draw here any line? Because I need to place here a main door, so that only I have not placed window right now here, but I will place, no need to worry. So first of all, draw here window. As you can see, in everywhere, means inside of this room I have taken my door as a 3 feet, but here I need to take my door as a 4 feet because this is the main door, right? So now go for line command. So draw it to here. Now go for offset command. With the help of this, go for 4 feet just here and just trim it, so you can see. And this door has been done. So before going to draw this door, I need to draw some step here also, because stair you also want to draw, as I have already told you that. So how much stair you need to take? This is the outside of the home, so make it as a default like this. Now go for offset command. You know this will be 6, not 10 inches. After that, go for offset again 10 inches, 2 and then 3, skip it. Now you know the plinth area will be 6 inches, right? Sorry, plinth area will be 2 feet. After that, what you need to do means, so this is our plinth area, right? And plinth area is 2 feet. So what you need to do, you need to keep it here as a 6 inches, offset of 6 inches, because the riser 1, 2, 3, 2 feet, right? So 4 4 steps will be there, 1, 2, 3, and this is last. Now go for trim command, just trim it. You can see this should also be in the same color. Now skip it, make it as a default by layer. After that, what we need to do means, now we can keep it here also window. Now we can see this, the minimum window we will keep as a 3 feet, so 1.5 feet from each side. So you also do like this. So in hall we keep some more, like 2 feet from both the and from the both the sides. So only where in the hall, because we need some more air breezes from the hall, because hall lot of people will be sitting there, that's why. So if you keep the larger, in dining room also keep as a 4 feet of door. If the room is long, so keep your window also long. So go for all of this. This is our kitchen, right? This is your bedroom. So this totally looks so good, and this plan will be definitely attracted to your towards your client, and they will accept your building plan. So keep on working. So try to do your work as a best. So how you do best while you are trying. So now go for line means one example I am showing. Just go and in the middle just drag it to another middle. Like this way you need to do for all. So go with this all. See, like this way you also want to do, so that so you know the specification of the window, door. I hope you all have studied in your drawings. So if you have some doubts you can ask me, and by commenting me, I have on my comment box. So each and everything I am telling here, no need to worry. Once you see this tutorial you may understand. Single video will be sufficient for you for the understanding view purpose. So as you can see it here, like this way. Here this is your bedroom, right? So you may understand by watching this video which BHK of this flat is there. So no need to worry, I will tell you. See, now go for offset command with how much? 2 inches from both the sides, up and down. So do it here in all of these as I am doing here. You also do. After all, if you have done with this, just trim this middle line. You know the symbol of window in plan, how we can see. Plan of a building means from the top how you can see your building. So what are the things that can appear if you see? So top means if you do not have idea, let me tell you, if you can see any building plan and the from the helicopter, means if you are in helicopter then you are much more higher than your building plan, right? So if we forget about the roof of your building plan, whatever the things you can see, forget the roof of your building. So the things in the plan what you are or what we are showing. So this is the things, and a work according to Vastu very useful, because the things is that everybody should obey this. After that what you can see, now you can trim this middle. So if you can trim this middle, then only this will looks like your what, your door. So just do like this will be very good for you. As you can see I have missed it here, no worry, I will be back with there also. So just gently, no need to hurry, just simple way. And I think I hoping that this tutorial will be sufficient for you for AutoCAD tutorial of any kind of building plan. This building plan will help you to draw any kind of building plan, just the things what you want to require, that will be sufficient for you. In my next video I will tell you what are the specification, means what are the things you need to have for drawing any kind of building. Now go for delete. You can see your window has been ready. After that what you need to do means just go for offset command of 2 inches from the both the sides, escape it. Now just delete. After that I need to add my door also. So You can see it my previous video for making the door of a building. As you can see, this is my main door. So this I need to copy. So go for explode command. Now you just copy of it. Now go for copy command. Just make it here. CO. Just move it here. Now you can add it. Go for copy command. Just here. Just keep it here. So wherever you keep, see, I have kept it here. Skip it. Now what I need to do here, also I need to keep my door, right? As you can see, this is my door also. Door is there. Now go for copy. So just drag it wherever you want to keep your door, keep it, no worry. So here you can see, here it is good, but here it won't, because this should be that side, right? So how we could escape it? Select it, go for mirror command, mi for mirror. So no, mirror will not helpful, this will helpful. So go for ortho on, do no, just select it, go for m command, just go with there and add it here. See, this is the way to do this type of. After that, here means go for mi command, here go for no, just go for copy command, here. Now your ortho should off, just select it, the both these sides wherever the necessary. See, we have completed with this. Now here we have missed to do this, go for line command. So go for offset command, go for 2.5 feet, just do it here. So from this side also go for line command, just go for offset command, 2.5 feet, go for trim command, trim it, trim it. See, this will be bathroom as well as kitchen room, right? So how we show this? Go for TP tool palette. So in my tool palette I have attached. So if you also want to add some block, means some furniture, you can add by watching my previous video. You can get it from playlist of this channel. So I need to place here what toilet metric. So I have to take this, you can see here, and here also I have kept it. Now I do not need this. So this is our plan, right? So go for click it here, this arrow, go for pan. Here also click it, this arrow, go for pan. Now you can move it. Now you can move it, escape it. After that, what we need to do means we need to add some CAD blocks, right? So how we could add? So you can see my previous video, as I already told you. From tool palette you can see beautiful sofa, beautiful chairs, you can add it from there. So manually I'm going to add this. Now you can see that I have got it from my tool palette. So if you have problem with this, how to get this, so I'm going to tell you. This is from here I have got this all. So in your system there is not these CAD blocks or this furniture. You can get it by watching my previous video. So no need to worry, I will keep this in my description box. You can get it, the link for downloaded it also. Download it and you can add it in your tool palette. So select it, copy command, wherever you want to keep this you can keep. This is our hall, so we can't keep it here, but we can keep it here and here also. Escape it. After that I need to keep this type of bed. Go for copy command. So copy this and keep it here. Keep it here also. This is our kitchen room. So it doesn't looks like kitchen, right? So how we could do? Go for offset command with the 2 feet from both the sides. From both the sides, go for trim command. Sorry, go for trim command. So trim this. Now here also, if you want, go for extend command. Skip it. Now you can hatch it also. If you can't hatch it, you just go and keep some cooktops here. Now I have kept it here. Now I need to keep it this both. Go for copy command. You can change its color also. So I will keep it here. You can see it looks like good, right? After that I need to keep it here as a dining table. So I got it. Go for copy CO. If you do not watch my previous video, please go and watch it. That will be really helps to you for adding these CAD blocks. After that, now my almost work has been done, but the main work is to get some dimensions check also. So go with this yellow color. Now go with this to this. This is 15. This is 6 point, means 6 feet 6 inches. This will be your washroom, right? So this will be like this will really helps you. Skip it. After that go for some hatching also. So hatching also plays the great role for acceptance of your blocks. Solid. So paint this also. In my previous video I did not show stair in that plan, so that I have come with this tutorial with the stair. So generally stair is more important. This is the ground floor. I did not attach any floors like first floor, ground floor, first floor, second floor, like this. So now how it looks. If you have the habit of doing this type of plan of a building, this will really helps you. Now you can see almost your drawing has been covered. So go for dimensions here also. You may thinking that I did not use any type of layer, right? No need to go for layer. So for this plan, if you have very high, means 2 3 4 5 and more floors, then at the time you can add the layers. Now you can see this is simple, but it looks quite good. So if you have liked this video, please do subscribe to our channel and watch the previous video for getting more knowledge about my AutoCAD. So thank you for watching this video.